It's a cold, stormy day in the Mountain West. My friend Dan has got one already. It's blowing, but the trout don't care. They're hungry. Nice fish, about 19 inches long. I'm going to turn this one loose. This is the first one of the day. Now I've got another one on. This is a hole further up the stream. I've got a big one on, fighting hard. Downstream from me, but I'm able to get him out of the current to my side. We're in a pool with a bend, and we're on the inside of the bend. That's a good spot. Taking my time with him, but I'm playing him hard.
Size of the mouth on that guy, you know he's been eating fish. Look at the size of that mouth.
Okay, you're ready.
Now that storm is coming in. Dan's still fishing. This is non-stop catching. Don't let anybody tell you that cloudy days are not good. These sunny days, you know, that's when it's tough. Today it's easy, as long as we're dressed well for it. Dan's played him right at his feet almost.
Scoop him if you're ready. Or you keep playing.
Got him.
We're on this inside bend where you can stand at one place and get a perfect float in almost 180 degrees around you. But I kept getting hung up. But I knew a big fish had to be in there, so just kept working it, and there he is.
How big is he?
That's a 20-inch fish. Yeah, it's like that stuff that we get us over at Hobble Creek that day. Yeah, this might be a good time for us to leave. We got a storm coming. It's dropping some kind of ice chunk